This is my brother MFC J265W printer that has not been used in 10 years, and the ink has dried up, and of course the printer won't work. There are many good videos on YouTube about how to clean a printer, but maybe my video will add some things that you need to know. You will need a small cup and Windex and a syringe. This syringe has a 1-inch piece of 3/32 fuel line pressed on to the end of it, and by having just 1-inch section of fuel line, it's stiff enough that it won't fold when you try to press it on the ink inlet on the printer. The 3/32 tubing fits the ink inlet nozzle perfectly. This tubing presses onto the syringe so tightly that it remains on the syringe when I pull it from the ink inlet on the printer. And here is a photo of forceps, which really come in handy, and the syringe with a 1-inch piece of 3/32 fuel line pressed onto the end of it. Here is the 3/32 fuel line tubing I had for small engine repair, but you can use any type of tube that will fit over the tip of your syringe and fit the nozzle where the ink goes into the printer. In this photo, I'm using forceps to push that fuel tubing onto the inlet nozzle where the cartridge goes into the printer. You probably won't have to do that if your tubing stays on the syringe as noted previously. And of course this is where the cartridges go, and a close-up showing the ink inlet nozzles at the bottom of this photo where you press your tubing on that's attached to the syringe. There are just 4 inlet nozzles. Reflection makes it look like there are more. First thing you want to do is unpark the printer head, and there's various ways to do that on various printers, but one way is to unplug the printer from the wall when the printer head is in the proper position. When you turn it on, it will move and unlock, and then you unplug it and have it in mid position. Once the printer head is unlocked, it will move freely. If you still have your printer manual, it will go into detail how to do that. Fold a paper towel about 3 times. Fold it the width of the printer head, and you can force that under the printer head and slide the printer head over the paper towel. Now, what I would suggest doing is using Windex on a piece of paper towel to soak the face of that printer head as well. Wet a couple inches of that paper towel, then slide that printer head over it, let it soak for a while. So you'll need paper towels, you'll need, I would suggest, vinyl gloves to keep it off your hands. This is a messy process. You'll be doing this folding paper towels under the printer head many times. With Windex on the paper towel, you can move that printer head back and forth after it's soaked for a while to scrub the ink off the face of that printer head. Old dried up ink takes a lot of time and patience to clean. I don't know if it would be worth your time to do this or not, because I have several hours into this, and I've let it soak for a day and then clean it again and let it soak for a day. And so it's something, if you're not in a hurry to do, you can probably clean the old dried up ink. Here are some examples of what you'll be getting on your paper towels throughout this cleaning process. When you inject the Windex into the 4 ink inlet nozzles, it will start to dissolve that ink. And this is what you'll end up with on your paper towel. And like I say, this takes many times to get these nozzles clean, so have patience. I wet the paper towel with Windex and then slid the printer head over the Windex and let it sit for a while, and it started to dissolve that printer ink as you see here. And this is the result, the old ink being dissolved. Now I'll explain the process that I went through that worked for me. I would inject a full syringe of Windex into each tube where the ink enters the printer. I would let that sit for a couple hours. You can also pull back on that syringe and suck it back out and remove part of the old ink that way. But when you inject ink into these ports, it will come out on your paper towel underneath the printer head. Dispose of the old ink you suck back out into a paper cup for disposal. You will spill some ink into the bottom tray of this, so you need to take a paper towel and keep that clean as you go. Now, since I wasn't in a hurry, I had a lot of hours in this, just working on it from time to time, letting it soak. You might not want to go through all this trouble, but the bottom line of it is that I was making progress. It was cleaning the heads. The black had not cleaned up yet. It would take a lot more time on the black, but eventually you could probably get all the ink out. Remember, this has been 10 years that this ink has dried up and set in this printer. But the end result is that I didn't want to waste any more time on this. I just junked it. As you see here, I was making progress. The blue needed to be cleaned more, the yellow needed to be cleaned more, and the black was not printing at all. So, if you have the time, do it. It may work for you, it may not.